In modern water and wastewater treatment processes, blowers play an indispensable role as key equipment, especially in biological treatment processes. Blowers provide necessary oxygen to microorganisms to maintain their life activities and the degradation of organic matter. Compared to roots blower, energy saving of Kimair oil-free screw blower reaches 20% to 30%, with high efficiency, energy savings, stability, reliability, and low noise characteristics. Kimair's blowers are widely applied in water and wastewater treatment plants.